By the end of this video, you will know how to create a purchase order in Zoho Books. Start by signing in to your Zoho Books account. Once you are in, look to the left-hand menu and open Purchases, then select Purchase Orders. If purchase orders do not appear there, you will need to enable the feature first. To do that, go to Settings, open General, turn on Purchase Orders, and click Save. Then return to the Purchases section and open Purchase Orders. On the Purchase Orders page, click the New button to begin creating a purchase order. This opens the form where you will enter the order details for your vendor. The first field to set is the vendor, so choose the correct vendor from the list before filling in the rest of the form. Next, enter the purchase order information. Add the delivery address where the items should be sent. Enter the purchase order number. If it is not already filled in for you, you can also add a reference number if you want to link this order to another internal record. But that field is optional. Set the purchase order date, then enter the delivery date so the expected timeline is clear. After that, choose the payment terms. If your process includes shipping instructions, you can also enter a shipment preference, which is optional. Once the order details are in place, move down to the item table. This is where you add the products or services you want to order from the vendor. Enter each item on its own line. For each one, select the appropriate account if your setup requires it, then enter the quantity, the rate, and the tax. Make sure the values match the order you intend to place before moving forward. If you need to include any additional information, this is the point where you can add it. You can apply a discount to the order if one is being offered, and enter an adjustment if there is any manual change that should affect the total. You can also add notes for internal or vendor-facing context, include terms and conditions, and upload any supporting attachments that belong with the purchase order. Before saving, review the full purchase order carefully. Check the vendor, dates, address, item lines, and any optional details you added. Then verify the total amount to make sure it reflects the quantities, rates, tax, discount, and any adjustment. When everything looks correct, choose how you want to finish. Click Save as Draft if you want to keep the purchase order for later without sending it yet. If it is ready to go to the vendor now, click Save and Send to email it directly from Zoho Books. Your purchase order is now created in Zoho Books.